8 gardening tips for growing a field of Shasta daisies. Select the right cultivar for your region. Choose regionally recommended Shasta daisy cultivars like Becky or Alaska for heat, and Crazy Daisy for cooler zones, ensuring healthy blooms and supporting local pollinators. Prepare rich, well-draining soil. Amend soil with compost and sand to improve drainage for Shasta daisies, preventing root rot and promoting strong growth by retaining moisture while allowing excess water to escape. Provide full sun exposure. Daisies require 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to thrive, preventing elongated stems and fungal issues. Sunlight areas promote robust growth and attract pollinators like bees and beetles. Space plants for maximum impact. Optimal plant spacing of 12 to 18 inches prevents nutrient competition and poor air circulation, promoting cohesive growth and abundant blooms. Water deeply and consistently. Deep, consistent watering of Shasta daisies encourages deeper root growth, improving drought resilience and reducing slug attraction. Feed with balanced fertilizer. Balanced fertilizers with the right mix of nutrients support strong stems, healthy growth, and abundant blooms. Avoid excess nitrogen to prevent lush foliage with few flowers. Use 10-10-10 or bloom-focused fertilizers for healthy daisies and attract beneficial insects. Mulch to suppress weeds and conserve moisture. A 2-inch mulch layer suppresses weeds, conserves moisture, moderates soil temperature, and enriches soil by feeding earthworms and microbes. Deadhead spent blooms regularly. Regularly deadheading Shasta daisies encourages new blooms by redirecting energy from seed production, extending flowering, and attracting pollinators like hoverflies and native bees.